For the second time in 2 years, Guyanese will be going to the polls for local government elections, LGE. In this report, Alexis Rodney tells us about the restoration of local democracy under the coalition government.
Before the change in administration in 2015, local government elections were last held in 1994, the previous set in 1970. This proves that when the electorate went to the polls in 2016, it was the third LGE in 46 years. The government said that is not a record Guyana should be proud of. The second round of LGE under this administration will be held on November 12. With new local government legislation in place, the imbalance in the relationship between the central government and the local authorities will now be corrected. This year, the government is working towards seeing the overall turnout to be greater than 50%. While central government will lend its support, local democracy is the full responsibility of the people. The government said its role is to provide support to all councils. Guyanese, therefore, are being urged to turn out for local government elections. Reporting for InfoHub, Alexis Rodney.
The minister was at the time addressing members of the media during his post-cabinet press briefing earlier today.